YouTube TV for beginners, everything you need to know. Are you thinking about cutting the cable cord and exploring new streaming options? YouTube TV might be the perfect fit for you. This video will walk you through everything you need to know to get started with YouTube TV. First, let's talk about what YouTube TV is. It's a live TV streaming service that offers a variety of channels, including sports, news, and entertainment. Think of it as a cable replacement that works over the internet. One of the biggest perks is that there are no contracts or hidden fees, giving you the freedom to cancel anytime. Setting up YouTube TV is straightforward. You'll need a compatible device, which can be anything from a smart TV to a streaming stick, or even just a smartphone or tablet. Simply download the YouTube TV app, log in with your Google account, and you're ready to go. YouTube TV offers cloud DVR with unlimited storage. This means you can record as many shows as you like and watch them at your convenience. Recordings are kept for up to 9 months, giving you plenty of time to catch up on your favorite shows. One account comes with up to 6 users, so everyone in the family can have their own unique profile and recommendations. Plus, you can stream on up to 3 devices at the same time. What's more, YouTube TV doesn't limit you to watching at home. As long as you have an internet connection, you can watch your favorite channels from just about anywhere. The cost of YouTube TV includes access to popular channels like ABC, CBS, NBC, ESPN, and many more. There are also optional add-ons like premium channels and additional sports coverage if you want to customize your experience further. In conclusion, YouTube TV offers a flexible and modern alternative to traditional cable TV. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and guides on getting the most out of your streaming services. Thanks for watching.